everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the app settings for your iRobot Roomba Combo Essential. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, we're looking at the Combo Essential within the iRobot app right now. And we have a nice status indicator of the vacuum, letting us know it's ready to vacuum with a cool video graphic of the vacuum and a ring pulsing by it. We also have our charging status here and battery life. Moving further down, we have our favorites section. We can access those for quick cleans. We can also put this on a schedule, set it up, and forget about it. Then we can also view our cleaning history. So here's our first clean. We have a map that's going to populate for us. We can't edit this map or anything like that. It's very basic, but it shows us the areas that it cleaned. And then we have our cleaning log right here, 525 square feet in 1 hour and 8 minutes. Pretty cool. So we have a nice cleaning history breakdown there. And further down, we have messages. If there's tips and reminders, that's where they're going to show up. Then we have our product health. So this section is going to be when it's time for maintenance. It tracks that for you and lets you know when it's time to do some routine maintenance. Then we have our product settings. This is where you're going to go to learn more about your Roomba, to locate your Roomba. We can also adjust our cleaning preferences. This is probably where you'll spend the most time within the app. You can adjust the liquid amount for the mop, Eco, Standard, and Ultra settings. And we can also adjust the suction power, low, medium, or high. Then we have our language options here. There's multiple languages to download and pick and choose from. Pretty impressive library if you ask me. We have our reboot option, and lastly we have our Wi-Fi network information. Back in the app, you'll see below product settings, we have owner's guide if you need to access the user guide and manual. Then we have a help section if you need any help and support, followed by iRobot beta. So if there's ever any beta features for this vacuum, this is where you'll be able to try them out and get access right there within the iRobot app. So it's a simple and straightforward app, very easy to navigate and find exactly the setting that you're looking for.